Bogus Lots here. I'm playing the game called Celestial King. I just triggered the bonus. It's a $1 bet. Let's see how we do. See if I don't know if you can get bonus in the bonus or not, but hey, let's hope so. 8 spins. I've only had this bonus a handful of times, so I don't remember what. Okay, first spin bonus. No. 5 of those numbers triggered the bonus in the bonus. I remember that. Now, does this count each line? It does. Hey, I'm up to 1190. I'm on the site called playnow.com. It's a Canadian site. Come on, give me some numbers. 3 spins left. Come on. Give me a bonus. I want to see the bonus in the bonus. One more. Nope. Last spin. 16. And $5 for the bonus trigger. Interesting. Okay, so 21 total. Dave Lame, Bad Magician. This is a terrible game. Sound effects are awful. Here's a bonus game. It's a $1 bet. So one of these 5 is my bonus. You want this one. That's the best. On that one, you can win up to 5,000 times your bet. Collect. If I had gambled it, I could have downgraded, could have upgraded. And with this, it spins, and then the hat throws out a whole bunch of wilds. Okay. This is terrible. I'm only at 80 cents. Come on, hat, throw lots out. Keep it coming. I need row 4, row 3. Oh my god, this is terrible. I'm at $1.90. Row 1, 3. Nope. Come on. I need row 1 then. Wow. I cannot get over this. Okay, well, that's a 5 of a kind for queens. And that's a 5 of a kind for queens. 250 and 250. Last spin. That did nothing so far. Keep the wilds coming. I need row 1. Right here. Right here. Right here. No, that's it. Hey, that's $30. Hey, $37, $38. Okay, well, done better, but I've done worse. Thanks for watching. Whoops, wrong button. Chronos Unleashed, $1 bet, 9 free spins. Let's see how this goes. I'm hoping for at least one Chronos bonus. Oh, or a retrigger. Nothing. Okay, next spin. Awesome. Okay. Orbs, come on, shiny orbs. Lightning bolt, come on. Extra row. And good. Awesome. Come on, orbs. Spin 7 of 8. Come on. Last spin, or do I get more? Good. Last spin. Come on. And down. Nope. That's it. Okay. Send me back in. Come on. Retrigger? Nope. One spin left. Oh, nope, nothing with it. 22.85. Huh? Better than nothing, I guess. Because I've literally had a 0 win, so, which I think I would have deleted that video because that's just bad. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hey, Phil Bogoslots here. I'm playing Endless Treasure. I'm on the website playnow.com. I closed the pot. It might only be an 88-cent bet, but gotta love these numbers. Let's see if I can get something other than the mini blue. Oh, mini. 125 bucks. I'm good with that. I am very good with that. I'd rather have had that major grand, but I've got a couple grand jackpots coming. I don't know if it's the 2000 or not. You'll have to find out. It depends when I get numbers. Thanks. Dancing drums explosion. 4 drum. Can I get the 5th drum? This is on a 440 bet. 5 drum bonus. $220 is the trigger. Wow. I was going to go 3, but to get in that, I think I'm going to cut back a little bit. Let's go with 5. Well, that's what I've chosen. Come on. Line hits and re-triggers. Oh, come on. Get that pot to close or something. Food dog to 3. Come on, get that line hit. Get something. You can get to 5. That was actually a lot of hits. Come on, last spin. Can I get a retrigger or anything? Nothing. 300 even though. That's for a 440 bet. That's, to me, that's just bizarre. But 5 drum bonus. That's incredible. Thanks for watching, everyone.